round 2. Gotta get this thing tuned up, try and sort it out. Re-gasket, had a flame out. Previous short video I made. 460 Ford. Have some issues. It's a 4180C series, Holley, made for motorcraft. A little bit of back history. I put a timing chain in it over the winter. This Q van was bought by a tire company back in the early 80s. Spent most of its life driving around tires. And then my father bought it, and I ended up getting it from him, but he never put in his name. It turns out I'm the second owner of this cube truck, which is going to be the rescue flat deck for my other 2 cars. Is out of whack too, just falls shut. Feels alright. I know it works. I tested it before I used it, before I put it on. Just read lots of different books. Came up with lots of different ways to do these things. I'm sure there's 100 different ways, but this is just what I do. So take out your plug, your gasket, get a rag ready under it because you don't know if it's going to come out right away. And do the same thing to the front bowl. Disconnect your coil wire because you don't want it firing up during this and spraying gas everywhere. Turn it over and we got fuel either coming out or just dribbling out. We'll find out right away here. Alright, not enough power to get the gas up yet. Hopefully this does the trick. 10 amp charge going to it. Double the battery. Let it charge a little bit. Some gas up to this front bowl. So once we got some gas coming out of here or set, looks like a little bit might be draining out already, so if that's the case, it might be already leaking. So we'll see once we got some more power to turn it over. So let's set this down. See what we get for gas coming out of it as we turn it over, and then we'll try and set the float. Gas leaking out of the rear bowl. Nothing from the front coming out of there yet. So, which means we gotta bring this float up. We'll try a little bit there, lock it, and we gotta adjust the back one down. Nothing yet. This back one is just perfect. I think it's just on the edge. Not coming out yet. So back it up a bit more. Let's see if that works. This key's been on. Choke. Won't choke now. It thinks it's warm. I'm going to run it back down just a smidgen more, just because I don't like how much still can leak out, sloshing side to side. We'll tighten that down. Put the plug on that one. I'm pretty sure it's okay. You see it? There it is. Okay. Now. Well, that sucks. It is not supposed to pour out like that now. Yeah, that's just kept coming when it came up though, didn't it? Yeah. So, went too far. Went down a little bit. It will run slightly under, as long as we're not leaking everywhere. So let's give it another turn over and can't be an all or nothing thing. Rocking the vehicle, obviously you can see it jostling out, so it's obviously on the verge. The closer I more turn it over, the more it pumps out. The further I gotta turn it down, the further out it is. It makes me wonder if there's something wrong with the float. It's still a little gassy, but we gotta get her done. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully you can. A little sloshy there, but let's see if it leaks out while it's turning over. And we can see it, we're good. Yeah, maintained our level. Good. That's how I cold set them before actually firing the engine up. Yeah, you can use the measuring stick, and maybe some floats have different buoyancy rates. Some are heavier inside, depending how thick they cast the plastic. Depends how heavy the actual float actually is. Never proclaimed to be a professional. I just gotta get shit done, man. Alright, that should be good for our float setting, hopefully. We don't have to mess with it. After it's running, we mess with it, but until then, our coil wire back on. This morning off camera, I double checked, pulled the plug, make sure we're on TDC and our timing's dead on. Let's see what we got. That stays closed. That should be dry. We should be dry enough. I heard gas. Let's give it a shot. These 460s, I tell you, you gotta have cat batteries to start them, pretty much. We're in start mode. Let's see what it does. It fired. That was it. I'm afraid to pump it. Well, there we go again. I guess we gotta burn that fuel out of there. That's a fun one.
No gas.
Charging good now. Well, there we go. Misfire, bad exhaust. Warm up now. Timing move. No losing a finger. She likes it forward. Yeah, look at that blow by. I got blow by. It's warming up. Yeah, horsepower. Likes it right there. For right now. Firing a little more evenly now. Adjust it back down. Cobwebs out of you. That's the startup video of the rescue vehicle. It's got a long way to go.